So hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, like the version of Vanguard requires secure boot to enable in your order to play, and you want to open your game and your game is getting this kind of error. So how you can fix? So let's get started. First of all, I want to tell you that this error is coming due to Valorant security feature. And to fix this issue, you need to enable your TPM 2.0 and security boot. And so for this you need to simply go to in your settings, then you need to update your BIOS. So for this, first of all, you need to visit on your Windows and you need to search like settings, and when you click on settings you need to you need to find, or you can say you need to navigate like Windows Update, and you need to click on this option Windows Update, and as you can see on your screen on left side. And when you are click on Windows Update, you need to simply scroll down, and once you scroll down like this, you will see advanced options, and you need to click on simply advanced options. And once you click on advanced options, you need to click on recovery mode. Okay, so over here you can say recovery, and you need to simply tap on it, or you can say click on it. And once you click on it, you will see this kind of options, and on this option you need to simply click on restart button. Okay, advanced startup, and you need to click on restart. Okay, and once you click on restart, your window will take some time and it will restart, and this window will pop up. Okay, so in this window you need to click on troubleshoot, and once you click on troubleshoot, you need to click on advanced options. And once you click on advanced options, you just simply click on UEFI firmware settings. This is your BIOS setting, and you need to update your BIOS setting over here. And once you click on UEFI firmware, you need to click on restart, and once you click on restart, your BIOS version will available. And in your case this may be different, but all you need to do, you need to simply click on security features, or you need to navigate your security features in your BIOS. So you can say in your your window may be different, but your security features is always same. And just simply click on security, and you need to over here you need to find like you can say security features like TPM and all. So you need to click you need to find TPM 2.0. So in some motherboards, or you can say in some manufacturers, like if you have Dell laptop, then in your case the you can say the firmware will be PPT and FTMP. And if your laptop is like Lenovo and all, then in your case the firmware is like security 2.0. And there may be different kinds of, you can say, features, like depends on manufacturer of your computer. Okay, so I'm going to show you some examples, like if you have any kind of options like this PPT, then you can enable this one also. And if you have any kind of TPM support, then you can also enable this kind of option. I'm going to show you these options because every one manufacturer has different settings. So in this case you need to simply find like TPM. Okay, so you can say if you have any kind of motherboard like MSI, then in your case the TPM device must be PPT and all. So you can see I have shown you some examples like different motherboards which kind of feature you need to enable. Okay, so when you click on enable, now you need to enable your security boot. And once you have enabled your PPT and all, then you need to go for, you can say, security boot. Once you click on security boot, and you need to enable your security boot also. And security boot option is always same for every motherboard, and you will see any motherboard security boot is always same. Okay, so you need to simply click on enable, and once you click on enable, you need to click F10, because F10 is your default save, configure and reset settings. And you need to simply click on save and exit, and yes, click on yes. And once you click on yes, simply now go to on your Windows system information. You can simply type like in your search bar like system information, and once you get your system informations, you need to check out your features like enable or not. And once you click on system information, simply click on this window, and you will see over your screen system windows, you will see security boot state is on. Okay, so this is the feature like security boot is enabled. Now we are going to check your PPT is enabled or not. So in this case you need to simply type like Windows and R. press window and R, you need to open your command prompt, and over here you need to type like tpm.msc, okay, and you need to click on OK. And once you click on OK, you will see this option. The status you will see like TPM is ready for use, and that's it. Now you can open your game, and now you can play your games very easily, and your issue will always you can always fix this kind of issue very easily. If you are getting any errors, or if you are getting any kind of problem, then you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye friend, thank you.